Hello, my choir students. Hi. It's so good to have you here again in this new choir session. Yes, we are still in a virtual way, but it doesn't mean that we are not going to learn and have fun while we learn, right? So, as every session, we need to start with our relaxation exercise. Stand up and go in front your mirror because we are going to practice this relaxation exercise. Relaxation exercise for our neck. Head side to side. Breathe by your nose and then blow the air by your mouth. Try to stretch your lips while you are moving your head. To the other side. Stretch your lips just like that. Feel how the muscles of the neck stretched. Do this exercise a few times. Relaxation exercise. Head back and forward. Look carefully. You have to drop your head in front of you and try to feel how the muscles of your neck stretched. Then slowly incorporate your head and drop your head backwards. And try to feel how the muscles of your neck stretch. Don't forget to breathe by your nose and exhale by your mouth. Do this exercise a few times. Relaxation exercise, rolling shoulders. Look carefully how I'm going to roll my shoulders. From one side, breathe by your nose and exhale by your mouth. Do it a few times. Now roll the shoulders from the other side. Blow the air out your mouth. Thank you. Oh my god, these relaxation exercises are amazing, don't you think? So, what's next? This. We are going to practice our vocal exercise to improve our vocal skills. So get ready, go for your headphones and start practicing with me. I already finished to practice my exercise. How was your practice time? Was good? Yes, mine too. And what's next? Our learning time. It will be kind of different because we're going to learn how to record our voice in a voice note the proper way. Okay, I'm going to give you a few tips that you have to follow to record yourself. This project will be the first song of our repertoire. We're going to start working on that. But first of all, you need to know what is the correct way to record yourself with your cell phone. So pay attention. DIY recording studio at home. Chapter 1. Prepare your devices. Before the recording time. To record your voice like in a studio room, you will need the following materials. Electronic resources. 2 electronic devices. Could be a smartphone or a computer or iPad, and add headphones. Download the repertoire. Why? Because it will help you to get ready, so you can practice to be in tune and with the right rhythm. Play this song and you're going to sing and listen it through your headphones. It will help you as a guide when recording your voice on the cell phone. Ready to record. Play this song you are going to sing and listen it through the headphones. It will help you as a guide when recording your voice to the cell phone and only catch the voice and not the echo of the guiding music. Before rec. Be sure that your smartphone has enough space to save the track that you're going to record. I recommend you to practice vocal warm-up exercise and relaxation exercise and drink water before starting to record. What is a pop filter? A pop filter, pop shield, or pop screen is a noise protection filter for microphones, typically used in a recording studio. It serves to reduce or eliminate popping sounds caused by the mechanical impact or fast-moving air on the microphone during record speech or singing. DIY pop filter. Yes, we're going to do our homemade pop filter. So you may need tape, scissors, silicone liquid or glue gun, a plastic container with a lid, a piece of fabric, old ones or not using, you don't have to buy. A very important note, ask for an adult help. Well, I have my materials. Let's check it out. My container with a lid, my scissor, my fabric, and this one is just in case, and my tape, of course. Okay, starting with this project, I am going to take off the lid of my container. And very slowly and carefully, I am going to use this one to make a little hole there. Because I need to fit my scissor to try to cut this plastic lid. I recommend you to ask for help. Call your mom, your dad, or your nanny. Maybe they can help you with this project. Cut, and cut. Please cut the plastic. Watch out your fingers. Ta-da! I finished! Oh God, I need to start cutting the container. But I assure you, it's gonna be worth it. Finally, it's good. It looks good. And it fits. Yes, it's enough. So now that I have my 2 round things, I am going to cut my fabric. This one is a cleaner that I have at home that I am not using it. I am not saying that you have to buy. I am going to take the fabric and look how much I need. And I'm going to cut the exceeding fabric because I don't want to waste. Okay? So, look carefully how you have to do it, how you have to work it at home. Okay, I don't have at home a silicone liquid. I have a gun, okay? And I'm going to use this gun very, very carefully because it hurts if you have an accident. So watch out, okay? Now I start pasting down fabric to the base. I am using the transparent base and I am trying to use the other one to fit it. I have to make sure that the fabric is really hard paste on the base, and I have to put the other one like a ring. I have to connect these two rings to the fabric to make it work, okay? And finally, I have my pop filter. I already cut the exceeding fabric and I have this beautiful thing that it will help me a lot. Cha-chan! This is my pop filter, my DIY pop filter. How it looks? It's beautiful. So now it's your time to make yours. That's the homework for today. Make your own DIY pop filter. Send me a picture through Schoology. Have fun. Bye.